I miss this song. So that was Cave Wave. Now we're gonna search up new Cave Wave. No, new caves. A little sad. No, we're gonna not. Let's see this. That was Splunky Monkey, the Gorilla Tag official soundtrack by Cody O'Queen. Check out his channel. Which one sounds better? Tell me. Make a video about it and tell me what. And tell me what in the comments what music was better. I'll make a community post about it.